Guys, today we're doing a cold start on a 1986 Dodge D350 ton, obviously, but some people don't know that. Not all people, but yeah, I just recently painted her not too long ago. 2-wheel drive, 3-speed Bulldog, or however you want to call it. I have to pump it that much, but on the hood shelf. Exhaust is better fixed on her. Power steering pump. 360. Power carburetor. Truck. Got the 410 rear end in it. I guess you can see that. I can't see through the sun, but hope you guys can see that good. Got a flatbed we're putting on her, 2-ton wheels. I realized that nobody left any comments, but the mostly done video was cold start, so put this under review because I'm reviewing it. Sun mirrors, easy to install. I'll probably do a video on how to install a flatbed on it. We do that in a few days. Flatbed's over there. I need to cut a little bit shorter. Get it done. And we got to neighbor for his truck over here. Me and my dad to work on. We're going to put I'm going to change his 4-wheel drive from lockers, or it's hub locks, to just lock the new models. So I'm probably going to be doing a video on that. So like my 4-wheel truck, her doors won't shut off. We're changing from this right here, and this I think is 85 or 86. We're changing from lockers. You have to lock them before you can put the 4-wheel drive stick, to where you just straightly pull the stick like you would on this one. This one you see don't have the lockers on it. So what I'm going to do is just pull the stick and go. That's just the way he wants it, so change it. Thanks, don't forget to subscribe.